What if I told you that becoming the person you want to be isn't about sudden transformations or giant leaps? It's not about waking up one day with everything figured out. It's about something much simpler and far more powerful. Because the secret to becoming who you want to be is not hidden in the future. It's rooted in what you choose to do right now. I used to think change came from big decisions, the kind you write in journals or promise yourself at midnight when the world feels quiet. But every time I tried to change overnight, I ended up back where I started, frustrated, overwhelmed, and disappointed. Then I met someone who told me a sentence I've never forgotten. You don't become a new person by changing your whole life. You become a new person by changing one small thing consistently. I didn't understand it at first, but when life forced me to slow down, I finally saw the truth. Who you want to be isn't waiting for you at the end of some perfect plan. They're waiting behind your next small action. The secret is identity. You don't rise to the level of your dreams, you fall to the level of your habits. If you want to be stronger, do what strong people do. If you want to be calmer, practice what calm people practice. If you want to be confident, act the way confident people act even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Because identity is shaped by repetition. Your future self is built brick by brick, moment by moment, choice by choice. You don't become them instantly. You grow into them gradually. And every small action you take is like casting a vote for who you're becoming. So ask yourself, what does the future version of me look like? How do they walk? How do they speak? How do they treat themselves? What do they do when life gets hard now? Take one tiny step in that direction, just one. Because the moment you act like the person you want to become, you're no longer wishing for the future, you're starting to live it. You don't have to change your whole life today. You just have to make one new decision, one small action, one quiet promise to yourself. Becoming who you want to be isn't a mystery. It's a practice, a gentle, consistent practice of showing up for yourself even when it's hard, even when you doubt, even when you're tired. And the beautiful thing is, you can start right now. Your future self is waiting. Go meet them. If this message helped you feel even a little more aligned with your path, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more weekly reminders that your growth, your peace, and your purpose matter. You're becoming something extraordinary. Keep going.